So in the last class we have done some brief about the fraction. So in this class we are doing few questions. So let's begin. The first question is what fraction of each of the following figure is shaded part? So you have to tell how many you have shaded. You will put a pound sign and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8. And in this now we have to tell how many are shaded. So in this there are 2 shaded, so it will be 2. The answer is 2 upon 8. Now we will do the second one. Let's count how many unshaded are there. Unshaded also. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So 10 are there. And how many shaded? 3. So the answer is 3 upon 10. Now the rest of the questions, in question number 1 you have to do it by yourself as a practice. Let's do the question number 2. So it is, what fraction of an hour is 35 minutes? So in an hour how many minutes are there? 60. So it will be 60. And here is 35 minutes. So we will write 35 minutes here. And now we have to simplify it. In the table of 5, 35 comes on 7 and 60 comes in 12. The answer is 7 upon 12. Okay. Now the next question is convert the following fractions into improper. I told you if it is mixed fraction and we have to convert it into improper, we have to multiply with denominator and the result we have to add with the numerator. So if we will multiply this, the answer will be 18, and 18 plus 7 equal to 25. So and we have to write it. So here, if here is 8, so here will be 8 and here will be 25. Okay, sorry, I have wrong. It will be 25 and here is 9. I told the fourth one, here will be 9. So the answer is 25 upon 9. The next one you have to do it by yourself. Let's do the next one. Fourth, we have to convert improper into mixed fraction. So you have to divide 73 by 8 and here will be 9, 72 and 1. And I told you here is 8. So the denominator will be 8 only. Here will be 9. 9. And here will be 1. Okay, we'll multiply it. The answer will be 72 plus 1 equal to 73. Okay, 73 upon 8. So now you know the answer. Let's do the second one. And now you have to do it by yourself. Let's do the question number 5. It is 3 upon 7 equal to, the numerator of this we have to tell and the denominator they have told us. So let's begin. So by how much we have to multiply by 7 to get this? We have to multiply by 5 equal to 75, and we same here. We have to multiply. The answer will be 15. The answer is 15 upon 35. Let's do the second one. It is 5. In this denominator we have to tell equal to 30 upon 18. Okay. So how much from how much? So we have from how much we are multiplying by 5 to get this? Multiply by 6. And we have to multiply by 6. And in which table we multiply by 6, we get 18 from 3. The answer will be 80. The answer will be 18. So here will be 3. So 5 upon 3. The next one you have to do it by yourself. Let's do the sixth one. The sixth is reduce the flowing fractions to the simplest form. Okay, we have to take it to simplest form like this. Now we have to cut it from which number we can cut? Max. We can cut it by 3 because the divisibility rule of 3 is by adding. The answer should be in the table of 3. We'll add this, the answer will be 12. If we'll add this, the answer will be 9. They both are coming in the table of 3, so let's divide it by 3. Okay, so it will cut, and this also. Now the answer is B. Here will be 16 and here will be 24. Now it can cut again. We will cut it with 2. Here will be 8. Here will be 12. Now it can cut again. Here will be 4 and here 6. 2 and 3. The answer is 2 upon 3. The rest too you have to do it by yourself. It's very easy. You can do it. The next is convert the flowing fraction in equivalent like fractions. So we have the lower one, the denominator, we have to make them same. Okay, so the first question we will do, it is 3 upon 4 comma 5 upon 6 comma 7 upon 8, and we have to do it all denominator same. So by what we can multiply it? So let's do, if we will do, the all are having 24. Okay, so we will do like this: 3 upon 4 multiply by 24 comes at 6 upon 6 equal to 18 upon 24. So we are writing 18 upon 24 here again because we will remove it and do the another one. Okay, and we will remove it faster. Now we have removed it. So now the next is 5 upon 6 multiply by, at 6 how, at what the 24 come on 4 equal to 20 upon 24. We are writing it here again when 24. Okay, now we will remove we have removed it. Now let's do the second last one. 7 upon 8. On 8 it come on 3. Here will be 24 and here will be 21. So it is 20. Let me remove 21 upon 24. Let's remove it. It will be like this. Okay, next one you have to do it by yourself only. Let's do the 8th one. In this we have to take it to descending order. So it is very simple, you know. So let's start. 9 comma 3 comma 8 upon 21. We have to make it like fraction. So let's do. So it will be 27. It can't be because this should also come. So their LCM will be 63. So let's do it with 63. So 2 upon 9 into dash equal to 63 upon dash. So we have to multiply it by 7. It will be 63 and here will be 14. So we are again writing it in a corner. 14 upon 63. So let's remove the rest one. So for the 2 upon 3 we will multiply it by 21 upon 21. Here will be 63 and here will be, let's do 42. We are writing it again in a corner. Okay, and it will be 63. We'll multiply it by 3, and here will be 16. So we'll write it here so like this. So like this, let's arrange. This will be first, this will be second, and this will be third. Okay, now let's do the last one. This is the last one, and this you have to do it by yourself. So let's begin. We have to arrange it in descending order, in like fractions. So its LCM is 168. Okay, now let's multiply it. We will multiply it 5 upon 7 into 24 upon 24 equal to 168 for this, and for the upper one it's 120. Okay, it will be 120. Now let's remove this. Okay, so we'll multiply the second one. Please wait a second. 3 upon 8 multiply by 21 upon 21 equal to 168 upon 63. Okay, now let's do the next. 9 upon 14 into 12 upon 12. It will be 108 upon 168. Okay, now let's do the last one. 20 and 21 multiply by 8 upon 8 equal to 168 upon 168. Okay, now let's arrange in ascending order. It will be this: 168, 103. For 168 I am doing like this. Okay, now 120, and the last is 160 upon this 168. Okay, now this this you have to do it by yourself, and for these two, this and this also, this and this, you have to do it by yourself. Okay, now we are going to do addition and subtraction for the fractions. So there are few rules. Let's study the first one. Convert the mixed fraction, if any, to improper fraction. In this they want to tell, if there is any mixed fraction, you have to first convert it into improper fraction. If there is not any mixed fraction, then you have to not convert. There is not any, so you have to not to convert. Next is convert all fraction into equivalent like fraction. Now we have done that, so we have to do it like fraction. We have to make it equivalent like fraction. Then we have to combine the numerators of all these like fraction with their proper sign, plus or minus, and place it over the common denominator to obtain a single like fraction. Okay, now I am giving you an example. So let's begin with the example. So I am giving you, it's very simple, plus 5 upon 6. If we will multiply this, the answer will be 8, and 8 plus 3 is 11 upon 4, and we will multiply this, then the will be 30. 30 plus 5 equal to 35 upon 6. Now we have to make them equivalent like fractions. So for this, they were 6 and 8. We have to make it like fractions. So we will take, let us let us tell, it is 24, one and only. Now we have to make it equivalent. For that, we have to 11 upon 4 into 6 upon 6 equal to 24 upon 66. Now we are writing it again in the corner. Sorry, it was 66 upon 24. Now for the next is 35 upon 6 into 4 upon 4. So this will be 120 upon 24. Now let us plus it, add it. 66 upon 66 plus 140. Now their denominator are same, so we can write it like this. Okay, now the answer will be 206 upon 24. Now let's take it to mixed fraction. Okay, it was 206 divided by 24. So let's do. Now we will multiply by 8, 192. Let's reduce it. The answer will be, here will be 4. Cut 1, 10, 1 and 0. So we will write it like this. See, here will be 24 only. Here will be 8 and here will be 14. Okay, so the answer is this. Now this much for today. In the next class we will do multiplication and division. Thank you.